I'm John Robeson. I am here with this burgundy Ferrari 512 Boxer from the Bach collection. So this car came in really barely running, and we took the carburetors apart. We found a number of jets whose sizes did not agree with Mike Weber's chart. And for those who don't know him, Mike Weber in California is the premier expert on Weber carburetors in this country, and we were very, very lucky to have him as a resource. But we identified some jet errors. We also identified some problems with the venturis in these carburetors that had been machined so that they lost the venturi effect when somebody tried to open up venturis that weren't quite right to make them work in the car. The result is that the cylinders didn't draw fuel at all. And we also had to fix fuel leaks. And the thing about fuel leaks that's really important on a Boxer is, look at this, these wires here, these white, those are the plug wires. So if you get leaks out the bowls here and any of these jet screws, the fuel just pours down into spark plug holes, and once it leaks enough and it lights that off, well, you've got a big problem. However, all that stuff is behind us, and for a car that would spit and kick and backfire and you had to nurse it to get it off idle, now it's going to take off and roar like Ferrari intended. Want to start it up? Little John there is going to fire it up. So that is what these things ought to start like and run like. We can snap the throttle and it'll actually move now. It'll actually respond. And so this is really quite a dramatic improvement. When you bring the thing up, when you bring it up gradually through that range, you're having to transition from idle to intermediate and main jets, and all of that is dependent on having exactly the right level in the float bowls and having the correct jets so that it makes the transitions. And of course, you've also got your adjustments here, and you've got your adjustments to synchronize the throttles from one carburetor to another, and then there's individual plate adjustments. So there's a tremendous amount of work to set them up, but before you can set them up, they have to be jetted right, they have to have the right venturis, and they have to be in a condition that'll run, and that was the problem with this car. So it's just really great to see it running again, and that's what's what for this Ferrari 512 here at Robeson Service.